guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a short one, and today we are going to do a unboxing from my May 10th show. So I'm going to be unboxing and showing you everything that I got. First thing is your order is going to come with your packing slip on top. This is going to show you everything that's in your order, and then if it was shipped in this order or if it's shipped in another one. So my whole order was shipped in one box. The microwave grip set, which basically are baby oven mitts for the microwave. So these are silicone. They're perfect for just grabbing little things. I'm just gonna keep them right in this drawer right next to my microwave. So those are super cute. The next thing is going to be the mini mix and scraper. So this is looks like this. And it is the small size of the mix and scraper, which is perfect. Small mix and scraper as well. So it looks like that. And then this is a mini skinny scraper. So a little tiny skinny one. Then I also got the vegetable peeler, which looks like this. I really needed a new vegetable peeler badly, and this one is super high quality, durable. Next item that we have is the garlic press, which I showed in my kit unboxing. Looks just like that. Comes with your garlic cleaning tool. This is my guest gift of the month, which was the nylon turner. So this is super nice. I think this is like a $15 value that you get for free. So love that, really excited about it. The herb keeper. So this is the herb keeper, and you keep this in your fridge all the time. You put water in the bottom, and then you're gonna have your delicate herbs are gonna stay in this smaller part, and then it says for your hardy herbs to go in this part. So this part is gonna keep your delicate herbs a little bit more safe. It has all your instructions. I know I always have a hard time with herbs, so it has all your instructions on how to take care of them. So submerge them in the cold water, swish them around, then you're gonna dry them off. Then you're gonna put the herbs in there, fill the base with water, place the herbs stem side down. The stems should reach the bottom so that they're sitting in the water. And then cover the lid, store in the refrigerator. Delicate herbs such as basil and cilantro should be kept at room temperature. So yeah, lots of good information in here. I'm really excited about this because I cook with fresh herbs all the time. Is the batter mixer and dispenser. So that's what this is. You are gonna use this container. You're gonna fill your ingredients for your batter, and there's lines for measurements on both sides. And then you're gonna mix it in here, and then you squeeze it out on the bottom. You have a squeeze also that comes with this. It's in here. In the bottom to make like pancakes, like muffin batter, anything. The next item is the microwave cozy bowl set. So you're gonna place a microwave safe bowl in the cozy, put the cozy with the bowl into the microwave. So basically what the cozy is used for is you're gonna put things in here that you're gonna be microwaving for a long time. There's a small one and a big one. And then when you pull this out, this isn't gonna be hot like your bowl or plate or whatever is gonna be. So it's gonna protect you. So that's what those are used for. Measuring cup set, which these are a staple for me. So there's a mini measuring cup, which these are perfect to use because the way that they're designed, you have ounces, cups, tablespoons, and milliliters all on this one cup. And what that's gonna do is the way that you read it, that's why it's called an easy read. So when you fill this up, you can read it from any angle, and it's gonna show you the correct measurement. So A lot of the times you can measure incorrectly using like traditional measuring cups because you can't see, you have to get down next to the counter and look at it. And with this, I can see it easily from any angle. Like I'm looking down onto the counter at it and I can see everything that it would say. So, and those come in, the set comes with a big giant one, medium, smaller, and then the mini. So, and I use all of them all the time. Next is something I'm super excited about. This is actually the item that when I was hosting, I got for 60% off. So when you host, you're always gonna get a special item for being the host. So this is what I chose as my special item. This is the Nonstick grill pan, which is made in Germany. This is what the bottom of the pan looks like. It's a very, not heavy, but a very heavy bottom. And then your top looks like this. And your handle comes separate. Click your handle on. It's gonna be like that. It's not gonna fall off or anything. That's how it stays. And then you can, there's this little button on your pan that you're gonna click in and pull out, and that's how your handle comes off. Now, you might be wondering, why do I need my handle to come off of my pan? Well, Pampered Chef does, all of the new pans come with handles like this that are removable. The first reason is for storage. Your handles are gonna fit onto any of your other pots and pans. So I can keep my handles in a drawer and keep all of my pans stacked. So look how easily that'll stack when it's just this size. Where I keep my pots and pans, I can keep all of them stacked onto here and keep my handles separately, which is such a game changer for your storage. Second of all, which is also super important, is when you're cleaning, this can go in the dishwasher. So it just goes in really easily, doesn't take up a bunch of space with the handle, and then your handle never needs to go in the dishwasher. If anything, you just need to rinse it off if it gets dirty. Then another really important thing that I didn't really think about because I don't have kids is when you're cooking and you have your handle, you know, you're never supposed to have your handle hanging off of your stove. So you can literally take it off, set it right, it's so easy to go on and off, set it right down next to your stove, and your kid literally doesn't have the ability to pull it down onto them and burn themselves. So I think it's super cool. I was kind of confused why the handle looked weird at first, but this is really awesome, and your pans are gonna just last you forever. Another very important feature about your pans and your cookware with Pampered Chef is this. So the vessel, the pan, is going to have a lifetime guarantee for non-commercial use. Handle is gonna have a 5-year guarantee as well. So that's pretty awesome. If anything ever happens to this pan, you just send it back and they're gonna send you a new one. This is something I'm super excited about. So these are our stainless steel mesh colander set. So comes with 3 mesh colanders, the little baby basket, the medium basket, and the large. So I'm really excited about these. I don't have any colanders. I just have strainers, which aren't as easy to use. And these come with they're dishwasher safe. It says wash before using, which people have asked me this before. Everything that I buy, kind of the same as if I buy anything I'm gonna be eating on, like at other places, I just always wash it one time before, like just hand wash it before I use it. Just because you don't know where stuff's been, you don't know what a factory's like, what a manufacturing facility's like, that kind of thing. And there is a 3-year warranty on these. These are the stainless steel mixing bowl set. That's what I'm getting out right now. And these are also dishwasher safe. These are, so they're metal, so obviously you're not gonna use them in the microwave or on a direct heat source because they're metal, and then they have the silicone also. And these have a 5-year warranty. So there's 3 bowls. So this is your little bowl. This one is an 8-cup bowl. Your medium bowl, which is a 16-cup bowl, and these of course nest. The 24 cup bowl, which is giant. So all of these nest together, and they also all come with a lid that matches them perfectly, fits on them perfectly. So the great thing about this is we always use these for any kind of baking. So like cookie dough, when you need to put it in the fridge, it goes great in this. Or in the little one, if you make like a dip and you don't eat it all in one sitting, goes in the fridge just like this, so you're not making an extra dish. The other awesome thing about these is they have a handle with a rubber holder for your thumb. They also come with a silicone grip on the bottom. So they don't move on the counter when you're using them. So another thing, like I showed in the beginning, these scrapers. So I got the set of scrapers, which is 6. And you're gonna get one of each size. I believe this was $36 as the host special because it was a half price combo item. So that was $36 for all 6 of those, and they retail for, I believe, at least $10 each. So the other thing I wanted to talk about quickly is when you host, you're gonna have 3 categories of sales. So you're gonna get your free product, which in June is gonna be doubled. You're gonna get your half price items, and then you're gonna get your base discount. So when you are putting things into your cart as a host, the first thing it's gonna take away from is your free credit. That's like a gift card. Then you're gonna go to your half price items. So I like to use the half price items on big ticket items. And then your half price combos, which that's where, if you're a host in June, that's where you're gonna see your air fryer, which I know I have a lot of hosts who are specifically looking for the air fryer this month. So that's where you're gonna see that. And then at the end, after anything else that you get that is not free and that is not half price, that's where you're gonna get your base discount. So that's either gonna be 20 to 30% off. My most recent host, she got 30% off. She got 5 half price items, and she got $430 of free items. So in the end, she spent around $300 and got thousands of dollars worth of products, which $300 was her budget. So we fit perfectly in there. We got her the quick cooker, the deluxe blender, so many other items that she's gonna have forever. So if you're interested in hosting a party, I am looking for more June hosts. I would love for you to fill one of those spots. And I am giving away a prize to each of my June and July hosts. So let me know if you're interested in booking. I would love to book you this month, especially with the double rewards. They only do double rewards twice a month. So if you don't do it in June, your next opportunity is January. And that's not a definite, that's just what we assume they're gonna do. So like I said, let me know if you have any questions. And I am gonna get to washing these dishes so I can use them to cook. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.